Your auto clickers are terrible. So, I made my own for you guys. But first, let's check out the competition. Well, to start, we gotta download them. OP Auto Clicker is very easy to download, so no issues yet. Next up is GS Auto Clicker. I have no problems with it. It has no ads or anything to cause any issues. Well, besides it bringing you to MajorGeeks.com that has ads. And now we have the ones that I have issues with. IO Auto Clicker is just terrible. Look at these pop-ups everywhere, man. I even had problems trying to install it. Luckily, I did find a way to install it though. Well, Free Mouse Auto Clicker is up next, and it's already looking like a bad start. This one I also had issues trying to install it. And best or worst for last, Speed Auto Clicker, or also known as Fast Mouse Clicker. Not bad compared to some of the others. You can get on SourceForge or their main website. So you must be screaming, well, how about the CPS? Well, let's start with my auto clicker. And also hope it's still standing at the end. And yeah, I'm gonna be honest. Or what's even the point of having an audience? So far, it has a great installer. Whenever you start the app, it will always prompt you with "Have you donated?" One simple yes and it's gone for good. If you really don't care about me, don't worry about it. I may be unemployed, but at least someone's taking care of me for now. As you can see, the highest CPS mine gets is a little over 1K. And it also doesn't matter the button. It also has a macro in it, and themes. But you didn't come here for that, so I'm not gonna bother you with it. Next up is OP Auto Clicker. So far this thing is a joke, but still used by many for its convenience and UI, you know? Even changing 0 or 1 milliseconds, it's still sticking with its 50, so yeah. Next up is GS Auto Clicker, and I gotta say, this is purely the worst UI I've ever seen in an auto clicker. Like, it's help pages in a browser, and anything you want to do in it, you have to navigate this stupid drop-down menu. Well, let's get into the CPS. Well, I can't even test that, it's so bad. My click tracker can't even detect it, so it's got problems. And even if it did work, you'd get these spamming pop-ups. So it actually does work, but it only gets 8 CPS. Well, next up is IO Auto Clicker. Yeah, you remember that garbage site? Seems like some of the logic applied to their auto clicker as well. I'm not even gonna try this one for the fact it was made in Python. And also, it needs internet to work! Next up, Mouse Clicker. So far, it actually runs, but it also doesn't work. Is it because I'm running these all in a VM? Because that should not be a problem for good software. And hopefully, worst for last, Speed Auto Clicker. So far, the UI looks terrible, but not bad enough like others where it won't work. And wow, it actually works. It works too well. It freezes the VM. Did we find the winner with 2K CPS? Well, I think on a normal PC it would probably show what mine was getting at 1K. Because my bet is it freezes the VM and cheats the CPS. Here's a little more testing to see if the VM just needed a reboot. Well, that about sums things up. I hope you guys enjoyed. Believe it or not, I spent 16 hours on this, so I hope you guys found it useful. I plan to do a lot more in the future, so I'll see ya.